Hi there, this is Lakan and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you five or more than five platforms where you will visit, sign up and get free classes. I'm certain by getting a free classes, you are getting a free knowledge, and knowledge are really precious for you. You have to get knowledge more as much as you can. I'm going to share with you. Before sharing those applications or platforms, I would always have a request from you. You have to subscribe my channel and like and comment. Whatever you will comment me, I can read and respond you definitely. If you will have any questions, feel free to ask question to me. I never mind any questions. Below comment box, leave a message or comment whatever you want. And always remember, whatever I'm providing you in my video here in the screen, I'm always putting a link below descriptions for all of you. You can feel free to get a lot of knowledge from my description. It's my habit to getting a good knowledge in my descriptions or the links, whatever. You can visit there and you can get benefit. So really first one I'm gonna share with you, that is Verbling. You can go there. Below description there's a link is available of this application where you will get a free trial lesson when you will sign up. And this would be more interesting also, there is many students are available, many tutors are available, worldwide students are coming, signing up and learning. Maybe it would be more cheaper for you, and you will get a paid also, that you will get, you will pay for tutors also. So maybe more people are learning the English than other languages, my point of view. So I'm certain it would be more interesting also. So let me share with you another is a Cafetalk. Yeah, of course I am a teaching on Cafetalk, absolutely, because of Cafetalk is really good, where you have to pay in the points. But I think that you will have a 500 points at the first when you will sign up, and after one day, after a few hours later, you will get a 500 point. 500 point is equal to 5 yen, like in Japanese, and 500 yen. 500 yen is equal to more than 500 rupees in Pakistan. I don't know in India or in other countries, but it is all about that. So I'm certain you never aware about those applications that I have shared. Now I'm going to share with you another application that maybe you aware about it. This is Italki, and Italki is a really best application nowadays, where you will get really cheaper price. You will get a more languages. You will learn a lot of languages, native speakers of any language: Urdu native speaker, Hindi native speaker, Spanish, English, Chinese, Japanese. What language you want to learn, you can go, you can get a really cheaper price, you can go there. Even you will find a partner. If you don't have any money, you will create your account, add your professional picture, and you can go there. Like students, there are more students are connecting together, they are sharing their together, like contact, like Skype, something like that. So more students are interacting to each other, and they are just like learning free. What they are doing, they are offering a free classes to each other. Suppose for example, I am an English learner, I know really good English, so a Spanish like a learner will give you offer, and he or she will tell you, I will teach you Spanish if you are interested. Instead of you will teach me English, you will help me to in English. So more students are doing this. And sometimes the Hindi students want to offer to English or Spanish like learners, that is or she is telling that I will teach you Hindi if you are interested. Instead of you can teach me Spanish or English. So this kind of deals are really free happening inside of Italki. I have already seen many times, and as well as I'm an English tutor there, and they really offered me also, because of I have a two account there, like a student account and tutor account. That is a really good option is available inside of Italki. If you want to learn something else, for example, I'm English, Urdu and Hindi and Sindhi tutor there, I can learn other languages. If I want, I can book trial any lessons from my student account with another. So Italki one of the best platform, and it's really cheaper. You will get a free classes now that they are celebrating 14th anniversary, as I already created separate video, and that video link is below description. You can check it out. you can learn more about this Italki. All the details I have put it there. I already described the screen, how you can sign up in that video. That video always is in below description. You can go and visit, sign up, get 30 minutes and talk any tutor. I'm sure you understood whatever I was talking about Italki. If you need another more help about Italki, you have any questions, as I earlier said, you have to comment me and I will 100% give you a response. So let's talk about English Ninjas. That is an application, that is also English platform where more students are interacting and getting a free 5-minute classes there. They are getting a free 5 minute when they are signing up. Whenever the students are going there, signing up and getting a 5 minute. So I have been seeing that more students are signing up continuously and getting a more like free lessons. So you can go there and you can just like get 5 minutes. Otherwise I recommend you can get a free 5 minute and talk with native speaker there. And really main thing is that there is only English language they are teaching. They are not teaching other languages. Only English language is available for you. You can go there and you can learn with tutors for free. I mean first time free, and then you can get a free cheaper price. Like there is a really cheaper prices available for you. English Ninja is not really expensive, it's really cheaper for you. You can go and sign up, and if you want to like buy packages, you can buy package and you talk with your favorite tutor. I'm certain you will enjoy also English Ninja. So last one is a Cambly. I'm certain you always know about it and you know already whatever I said here, and I mean that it would be more interesting for you. It is really expensive to buy you, but you can get a free class, of course. If I can tell you about Cambly, I have a really lot of things to share with you about Cambly. Cambly is one of my favorite, but it is a little expensive, I really believe. What you have to do, below description I have put a link. You can go there, and after going there you have to sign up, and signing up you will get a 10-minute free class with native speaker. And when you will complete your 10-minute free class, you will have a recording also. That is one of the best thing that on Cambly is available. I never saw in other platforms. On English Ninjas is available, but English Ninjas not providing you video conversation till you're purchasing any like packages. On Cambly it is really simple. If you have free trial, whatever you have a means, you are talking with native speaker, automatically you are professionally step by step, your like side by side your like video will record it with native speaker with perfect your voice, like good like quality as you have, like camera as it's depend on you. I mean it depend on camera, but it's totally wonderful. I really believe that you have to search about Cambly, or you can go there below description link. That will more helpful for you, even for me also. Otherwise Cambly is really wonderful. It's been a year I've been using. I talk many conversations and more than 100 conversations I have uploaded on my channel. I'm really sorry, just getting it dark and because I'm a little bit busy. Otherwise thank you so much for watching this video. It's really totally getting it dark. I would like to just tell you that I will give you more about Cambly. Below description you will get a Cambly video, and this is all about Cambly. You will just check it out and learn about Cambly and A to Z, how to use, how to package something like whatever, how to subscribe. But thank you so much from bottom heart. I would like to say thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you are if you really want to learn something new each and every day, so please subscribe my channel and never forget to click on like button and comment me whatever you want to comment. Whatever you have a question, you can below description leave a message. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, love you all.